Hi, it's Ellen Shapiro, and I'm teaching Qigong for beginners here at Get Set Up. I've been teaching Qigong for 7 years now, and I just love it. I came to it from getting over a knee injury, and it was one of the few things I could practice because you can do Qigong in a chair. It's very healing, it's gentle, and it really works to calm your nervous system down, to help you get into a more peaceful place. And yet at the same time, it can give you more energy. So in the class, I'm going to explain some of the basic ideas of Qigong. It comes from Chinese medicine, and show you some simple Qigong moves that you can practice on your own. So it's Ellen Shapiro. I hope you'll join me for Qigong for beginners. Until then, wishing you peace. Bye for now.